It was just another boring weekend when I stumbled upon that old cabin in the woods. You know how they say curiosity kills the cat? Well, I should have listened to that advice. The wooden door creaked as I pushed it open, dust dancing in the beams of sunlight that leaked through the broken windows. Something felt off. The air was thick, and there were these weird silvery strands everywhere. That's when I heard it. A soft clicking sound coming from above. Looking up, my heart nearly stopped. There, in the shadows of the ceiling, was something that shouldn't exist. 8 massive legs, each as thick as my arm, connected to a body the size of a car. Its countless eyes glowed like red Christmas lights in the darkness. I couldn't breathe, couldn't scream. The monster moved with impossible speed, descending from its web. I bolted for the door, but the sticky strands caught my jacket. With trembling hands, I ripped it off and ran faster than I ever had in my life. I can still hear those clicking sounds in my nightmares. And sometimes when I look out my bedroom window at night, I swear I see those glowing red eyes watching me from the tree line. Maybe it's waiting. Maybe it's hungry. Maybe it's still looking for me.